Rental screen take-based EA500H7 rental air screen is beautiful. And you can see there's a have 4 corner protectors the module during the transportation and setup. Furthermore, it also has a sliding arc installation. Press and hold the button to adjust the radiance of the LED display to create more shapes. EA500H7 maintenance is fast. Hopper connection with the snap-on power bars swept in the seconds. Less downtime, more uptime. It's really lightweight even one person can handle the whole setup, and it's very easy to transport. EA500H7 rental aircraft has the perfect height balance. It's the ideal choices for indoor and outdoor activities. Could let the pictures stay perfect from any angles. EA500H7 rental air screens for events for stage for creative display that demand the flexibility and speed. So if you're interested in this air display, please contact Judy. I'm waiting for you. Bye bye.